guys, welcome back to Eat Your Kappa with me, Nambie. In today's video, I am going to make a dish from the state of Nagaland. It is called Akshi and it is pork with dry bamboo shoot. And as we all know, pork is the favorite meat of the entire Northeast, and what goes best with it is bamboo shoot. And I can guarantee you that each and every house in Northeast will definitely have bamboo shoot in their kitchen cellars. And in case some of you prove me wrong, I refuse to believe it. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Okay, I will shoo him away. The ingredients required to make this dish are: I need to wash my hands again. I'll just wash my hands and be back.
For 1 kg pork, you will require 100 grams of dried bamboo shoot, 1 teaspoon of ginger paste, 5 to 6 green chilies, and salt to taste.
I'm making use of pre-cooked pork. As you all know my story, I live in the mountain. So there is very limited supply of fresh meat, so we preserve it by boiling it. And yeah, in case you're making use of fresh pork, make sure that you cut it in bigger chunks, maybe like 3-inch pieces, because Nagas like it big. So before we cook, make sure that you rinse the bamboo shoot in case you have gotten your bamboo shoot from outside from the market somewhere, just to remove the outer layer of dirt. For 1 kg of pork, you will require about 3.5 cups of water to boil the pork. And now let's get cooking and let's boil some water. Our water is boiling. Now let's add the bamboo shoots. Allow the bamboo shoot to cook for about 5 minutes. Now let's add in the pork and lower down the heat. I cannot lower down my heat because I'm making use of a chula. You please lower down your heat, and also I'm making use of pre-cooked pork, so I don't need to lower it. Anyways, if you are making use of fresh pork, make sure that you cover the lid and cook it for about 30 minutes till the pork tenderizes. Looks like the pork is ready. Now we can add in the ginger and the chilies. Cover it with a lid and allow it to cook for another 5 minutes. The reason that we use the chilies and ginger at the end is to trap its flavor, and we don't use other flavoring agents like garam masala in our cooking in the Northeast. That is why we add the ginger, the chilies and garlic at the end to trap the flavor. It looks absolutely beautiful. The color, the smell itself is so inviting. I can't wait to eat it. Looks like the dish is ready, and let's serve it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next episode with more amazing recipes from the Northeast. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share.